Penelope Cruz and Javier Bardem are reportedly new parents. According to Us Weekly, the couple's first child, a baby boy, was born over the weekend. Both Us Weekly and the New York Post cite Spanish media reports as saying that Cruz gave birth at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles on Saturday. Former NFL star Troy Aikman and his wife Rhonda Aikman are reportedly separating. Aikman confirmed the split in a statement to the Dallas Morning News earlier this week, telling the newspaper that the decision to split up was a difficult one and adding that both he and his wife remain deeply committed to their children. Former boxing champion Mike Tyson is a new father. According to Radar Online, Tyson's wife, Lakiha Spicer Tyson, gave birth to a baby boy on Tuesday, January 25, 2011. The Tysons have a 2-year-old daughter together. Scarlett Johansson says rumors that she and Jason Sudeikis are an item are just that. Rumors. A rep for the actress tells People magazine that Johansson and Sudeikis are just friends, adding that they were not on a date when they had dinner together recently. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.